Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have SoundPeats Q 5.0 wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, only out of the left ear or only out of the right ear, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you just want to get these set up like they just came out of the box new for whatever reason, we can just get a fresh start on them very easily. All we need to do is take our earbuds and put them in the case. And with them in the case and the lid open, we're going to find the pairing button in the middle here. And you're just going to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. After holding this button for 10 seconds, it will cause the earbuds to reinitialize to their factory out of the box settings, and you can set them up again as new earbuds.